Sweet. There we go. That wasn't what I planned to do.
Holy!
My foot's stuck in my windshield. Can you come dig my foot out, please? what I plan to do. That sounds so bad. That's the cost of spring riding. Absolutely beauty.
Alright, so working past a bit of time here. It's the following morning. I'm getting the video all edited up. Now, unfortunately, the video turned out a little bit more scattered than I would have liked it to be. I feel like there's not quite as much kind of flow to it. And that's mostly due to most of this footage that I got yesterday, unfortunately, has no audio. I've been battling some audio issues the last couple videos, actually, and the last month or so I managed to get a brand new microphone. It came in 2 days ago, under warranty, thankfully. The old microphone did break, but as it turns out, my camera itself also is broken. The microphone input on the camera is glitching out and stuff, which caused a lot of this footage to not have audio. So I kind of tried to throw in some music and kind of do the best with it that I could, but yeah, it's just kind of heartbreaking when you get a wicked day like yesterday and then find out most of your footage isn't really usable. So hope you guys enjoyed the video regardless. Overall, awesome season. I want to thank all of you guys for supporting the channel this year. It means a lot to me. And yeah, thank you to 509 for sponsoring us this year. Hopefully get them on board next year again. Would be absolutely awesome. Love the company, love the gear. And so hopefully pretty soon we'll be getting out mine exploring. It should be in a couple weeks here. There should be enough snow melted. We tried a couple weeks ago and there's still 2.5 feet of snow in the area that we were trying to get to. So the dirt bikes didn't make it very well in that. But yeah, so hopefully soon we'll be getting some of that content out. I'm super stoked to be doing some more of that this year. So hopefully you guys enjoy that content as well. And yeah, I guess hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you. Oh, my light's dying. We'll see you very soon. Peace.